Hello everyone, welcome to Band Software Tutorial. How are you doing? My name is Adigu Barnabas. Today I'll be showing you how to force delete a file from your computer. Maybe you have a file you refuse to delete. Anytime you delete it, it's still there. Today I'm going to show you how to delete that file with the command prompt. Before you start, don't forget to click the subscription button and the notification button to watch other of our videos we'll be posting on our channel in case you have any issue regarding them. First of all, we're going to locate the file we are going to delete, the file that refuses deleting. I think I have one of mine in my local disk. I have a file here, one click. This thing is not supposed to belong here. So today I'll be showing you how to delete this file. The first thing you have to do is to go to our search bar down here. In our search bar, you type cmd. That is command prompt. If you want to type it full, and type it full, but cmd is the short form and it's still show up. Then you have to run as an administrator because you are deleting something that refuses to delete, so you have to run it as an administrator. I run mine as an administrator. The dialog box will show up. You have to say yes. Click on yes. Command prompt to show up. Before we do deleting it, I will show you different attributes that the force delete file can do. Type on del / question mark and click enter. These are attributes they delete and do. You have the P, you have the F, you have the S, the Q, and the A. They have different things you have to do. So, the one we'll be using today is the F, the force delete file on the file. That means the refuse deleting. So the first thing you have to do is write on the delete. DEL. Type DEL, then / F, then space. Then we have to write the location of the file. Now C, that is my C drive. Go to there. Type C, semicolon, and backslash. After writing the C with semicolon and the backslash, then we'll type the name of the file. Let's check the kind of property the file has. The name is one click and it's a cmd file, a command prompt file. So go to our command prompt, type one click, then .cmd. cmd is the directory of the file. Then you'll click on enter. So clicking on enter, you can go to our folder to check whether it is still there. No, it's gone. The file is deleted. So this is how to delete the file, how to force delete the file. Thank you for watching. You can do well to subscribe like I said earlier to watch other videos we'll be posting on our channel. In case you have any issue. Thanks for watching again. See you next time.